I am going to do a series of mini videos breaking down the steps for combining like terms. First, we're going to talk about alpha order. That means we're going to put our variables in alphabetical order as we solve them. So we'll begin with a pretty straightforward one. If I have 6 times the difference of 3y and 7x, the very first thing we have to do is distribute. I will distribute the 6 to both terms inside the parentheses. I end with 18y minus 42x. Now I need to look at the variables, and I notice they are not in alphabetical order. They are also not the same, so I cannot combine them. I will have 42x plus, because that's a positive 18, y. That would be the proper order to write your answer. As we progress through the year, we need to have things in alphabetical order. My second example, 12y minus 4x plus 3y minus 8x. As I read the math problem out loud, you should be writing it in your notebook. You do not need to watch me write the problem down. You do want these examples in your notebook. First, when I taught 7th grade, I would have my students circle each term, including the sign in front of them. We called them caterpillars. Now I am going to look for bubbles that have like terms. I'm going to do it in alphabetical order so I don't have to write the answer twice. I notice these two bubbles both contain x's. This really has 4 negative x's. Over here we have negative 8 x's for a total of negative 12x. They're done. Cross them off. Here I have 12 y's, and in that bubble I have 3 positive y's. If I combine the two bubbles, I would have a total of positive 15 y's. So I write plus 15 because they're positive. These are now in alphabetical order. X's here, y's here. They're not the same, so I am done. My next example, again, as I say it, you write it down. 9 minus 3w plus 6 minus 5x plus 6x. Again, until we become experts, I am going to circle each term with the sign in front of it so I know if it's positive or negative. Draw the caterpillar. Okay, beginning in alphabetical order, W's don't come first. X's come first. No, they do not. W's come first. W, X, Y, Z. Jeesh. Okay, I do not have anything to combine with the W's, so I'm just going to carry it down. Be careful not to lose the negative sign. And that's really a W. The alphabet has thrown me off. Now I see that in these two bubbles, I have X's. When I have negative 5 here and 1 positive there, I am left with positive 1x. X equals 1x. Anytime you are given variables without a number, a constant in the front, it is 1. If you have more than 1x, they have to, positive or negative, put the number in the front. So as we are filling in our solutions on our homework and such, when you only have 1, this is the answer I am looking for. No 1 there, it's invisible. Okay, so now we're done with our x's. What we have left are called constants. They are just your numbers. If I have 9 here plus 6 more there, I have a total of a positive 15. Constants always go in the back. They always go last. We'll be working with equations with constants in the third trimester. Finally, I want to talk about a division problem. 45y, again, as I say it, you should be writing it down, 27x, all divided by negative 9. We can only simplify this if everything in the numerator is divisible by the digit in the denominator. Well, 45 divided by negative 9 works. 27 divided by negative 9 works. So I will work with the first term. 45 divided by negative 9 is negative 5y. 27 divided by negative 9, negative 3x. I noticed these are not in alphabetical order, so I need to rewrite the problem to get a final simplified answer of negative 3x minus 5y. When we're writing answers like this, please do not write plus negative 5y. These two operation plus minus in a row becomes very confusing as we move on. This is the answer that will be accepted on homework tests and quizzes.